Level 3, Connection and Musicality Month. Tonight was our night with Musicality. So I'm just going to briefly remind you, recap style, of what we talked about. There won't be a lot of dancing to do. So first thing we talked about was swinging or straight, just an element of the rhythm. We listened to songs and we took the triple step test. Then what we did is we had songs that were all swinging and were all the same tempo, but what made them different was the mood of the music. So we tried to choose an adjective in our minds and try to express ourselves. It wasn't about changing what we're doing, it was changing how we were doing it. And when we were all talking to each other and honest with ourselves, it was really hard to actually express things differently. And I said, you don't have to achieve a perfect difference tonight. It's about opening our ears and knowing that there could be different ways of doing the same thing. Then we talked about structures of the song and finding breaks and phrases in the music. So there was A, B, or the bridge A. That whole thing was a chorus. And that roadmap repeats and repeats and repeats no matter who's driving, whether it's a soloist or a singer or the whole band. Then we had A, B, A, C, which had chunks that lasted the same amount of time, but it felt different. We thought of those more as first half, second half, and you guys really got the break right in the middle of that one. And last but not least, we did 12-bar blues, and we shook our butts to the end of the chorus, and that was about 6 swing outs long, or 12 bars. It was a different feel. It's shorter and longer at the same time. And y'all kept your ears open and did a good job. And I'll see you later.